Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. In GTA 5 story mode, there are several ways to save your game. The fastest method is using your in-game phone. Press up on the D-pad or the phone key on your keyboard to open the phone. Select the Quick Save app, choose an available save slot, and confirm. This instantly saves your current progress. Another reliable method is saving by sleeping at a safe house. Visit a character's safe house and go to the bed. Press right on the D-pad or the E key on keyboard to sleep. This saves the game and also advances time. Michael skips 6 hours, Franklin skips 8 hours, and Trevor skips 12 hours. You can also rely on automatic saving. GTA 5 saves your progress after missions and key activities if autosave is enabled. To check this, open the Pause menu, go to Settings, then Saving and Startup. Make sure autosave is turned on so your progress is recorded automatically. Using these methods ensures you never lose progress. So that's basically how you can save in GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks.